Me home for discussing the success of our chief guest, Mr. Sriram Subramanya. Sir, it's a great privilege to have you here, and we are extremely thankful to you for accepting our invitation. Welcome, sir.
அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். My dear friend C.K. Ranganathan, Chairman and Managing Director of Kevin Care, Mr. C.K. Ashok Kumar, Trustee, Sri Jairam Educational Trust, Mr. Chandrasekharan, Director, C.K. Group of Educational Institutions, Dr. Arun Parvati, Principal, other dignitaries on the dais, faculty members, and other staff members, invitees, parents, members of the press, and my dear students. It is a pleasure to be with all of you today for the graduation ceremony. It was very kind of CKR to invite me for the chief guest for this important occasion. I would like to thank you, CKR, for this opportunity. First, let me congratulate all the students graduating today. I know this is a very important day for all of you. It is a proud moment for you and your family members. You have worked hard for 4 years to be here today. My special congratulations to the university rank holders. Coming to the college, as we all know, CK College is carrying out various initiatives for students and faculty members, and also investing in various areas of the college. For example, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு various extracurricular activities as well as practical activities பண்றாங்க. அதுல ஏற்கனவே சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா WAP program, work along progress, PKT, soft skills, co-curricular activities, ஸ்பெஷல் கெஸ்ட் லெக்சர் ப்ரோக்ராம், இது மாதிரி பல ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் பண்றாங்க. அதுல மெயின் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த WAP program is a unique program. So earlier CKR சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க, this opportunity provided to students to learn the theoretical concepts practically. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா not many colleges are providing so many programs for students. So you are all really blessed to receive so many programs in this college, from this college. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, CKR பாத்தீங்கன்னா he has created a very strong governing council also. அதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுல மெம்பர்ல இருக்கவங்க எல்லாம் from leading institutions, industries, as well as professors from Indian Institute of Management and leading engineering colleges இருந்து இருக்காங்க அந்த கவுன்சில்ல. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, ஏற்கனவே பிரின்சிபால் சொன்னாங்க, ஸோ பிஜியில் 100% வாங்கியிருக்கீங்க, ஸோ அண்டர் கிராஜுவேட்ல 86%. இட்ஸ் அ எக்ஸலண்ட் ரிசல்ட். ஏன்னா காலேஜ் வந்து இட்ஸ் இன் கடலூர், கேட்டரிங் ஃபார் tier 2 and tier 3 towns. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, கேம்பஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கேம்பஸ் இன்டர்வியூக்கு நிறைய கம்பெனிஸ் வந்திருக்காங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, இங்க இருந்து நிறைய பேரும் செலக்டும் ஆயிருக்காங்க. ஸோ வாழ்த்துக்கள். If you looking at the investment in various areas of the college, you can see how committed the management is for development of students and the faculty members. I am sure you are making the best use of these facilities. Coming to the management, CKR is providing a very good leadership to the college. He is transforming the college. My congratulations, CKR. I am sure you will make this college the MIT of India. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், MITன்றது பாஸ்டன்ல இருக்க யுஎஸ்ஏல வேர்ல்ட்ல renowned engineering and technology college in the world. Few months ago, I had an opportunity to meet Mr. C.K. Ashok Kumar. He is a dynamic person with a holistic approach towards education. He is working very closely for the growth and development of C.K. College of Engineering and Technology. The college is also fortunate to have dedicated and committed Director Mr. Chandrasekharan and Principal Dr. Arun Parvati. Congratulations to them for their excellent work. And I would like to express my appreciation for the faculty members for the care and attention you give to the students. It is your hard work and dedication which is responsible for your college producing professionally qualified students. Now I am coming to the students of CK College of Engineering and Technology. I would like to share some of my thoughts. You are all aware of famous brand names like Coca-Cola, or Facebook or Nike or Adidas. Who can tell me which is the most popular brand in the world today? Is it Google? Is it Pepsi? Is it IBM? I want from the audience. Somebody is telling Google, somebody is telling Apple. So Apple is the number one brand in the world. I know many of you are crazy about Apple products like iPhone, iPad, iPod. Do you know who was the brain behind these products? Who was the founder of Apple? Yes, you are right, Steve Jobs. Have you had the chance to read the life history of Steve Jobs? If you read his biography, you will see the kind of obstacles he had to overcome to make Apple the number one brand in the world. As you all know, so your chairman, CKR himself, started in a small way and has grown Kevin Care into a big FMCG company in India, successfully competing with big multinational companies, not only in India, but globally also. CKR is a role model, not only for you, but also entrepreneurs like me. I regularly consult a CKR to get various strategic inputs for my company. He shares his knowledge and wisdom with me. Thank you, CKR, for this. He has got a wealth of knowledge. I share my personal mantras of success. ஏற்கனவே சிகேஆர் சொன்னாங்க, if your thoughts, speech and actions are synchronized and positive, you can achieve whatever you want in your lives. அதாவது உங்களுடைய எண்ணம், சொல், செயல் இது மூன்றும் நேர்மறையானதாகவும் ஒன்றுபட்டதாகவும் இருந்தால் வாழ்க்கையில் நீங்க எதையும் சாதிக்கலாம். திருப்பியும் சொல்றேன், உங்களுடைய எண்ணம், சொல், செயல் இது மூன்றும் ஒரே மாதிரியாகவும் நேர்மறையானதாகவும் அதாவது பாசிட்டிவாகவும் இருந்தால் வாழ்க்கையில் நீங்கள் எதையும் சாதிக்கலாம். This is a basic foundation for all success. Now I would like to share with you my 6 steps formula, success formula. One is think big, dream big. Think big na பெரியதாய் சிந்தியுங்கள். Dream big, பெரியதாய் கனவு காணுங்கள். எதுமே சின்னதா நினைக்காதீங்க. எது பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சாலும் அதை பெருசா நினைங்க. 2, follow your passion and have your own goals. எதை விரும்புகின்றீரோ, எதில் ஆர்வம் அதிகமாக உள்ளதோ அதிலிருந்து உங்கள் லட்சியத்தை எடுத்துக்கொள்ளுங்கள், உங்களுடைய கோலை. 3, visualize your goals continuously. உங்களது லட்சியங்களை குறித்து தொடர்ந்து மனதில் நினைத்து பாருங்கள். Maybe morning, afternoon, evening, just for even 2 minutes. So that will reinforce your thoughts. 4, plan and execute. திட்டமிட்டு செயல்படுங்கள். 5, determination to achieve your goals, never give up attitude. குறிக்கோளை நிச்சயம் அடைவேன் என்ற தீர்மானத்துடன் இருங்கள். லட்சியத்தை அடையும் வரை விடாமுயற்சி செய்யுங்கள். Last one, 6, be patient till you succeed. வெற்றி கிடைக்கும் வரை அமைதியாக காத்திருங்கள். In the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, I would like to quote, take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. Leave all other ideas alone. This is the way to success. Just want to quote Mark McCormick. He's a leading management author. He has done a survey in Harvard Business School in 1979. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு 10 years அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1989 பண்ணாரு. In 1979, the graduates of the MBA program at Harvard were asked, have you set clear written goals for your future and made plans to accomplish them? I'll repeat the question. Have you set clear written goals for your future and made plans to accomplish them? அந்த சர்வே பண்ணதுல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா only 3% of the students வந்து written goalsம் plan இருந்தது. 13% அவங்களுக்கு வந்து only goals, only mindல தான் இருந்தது, written goals இல்ல. மீதி 84%, so they want to get out of the college and enjoy the summer. அதை வந்து 10 இயர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் again அந்த சேம் சர்வே பண்ணாங்க. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த 13% who had a goals that were not in writing were earnings on average twice as much as 84% of students யார் கோல் இல்லையோ அவங்களோட twice the salary earn பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, ஒரு surprising result வந்தது. They found that 3% of graduates who had a clear written goals when they left Harvard were earnings on average 10 times of the salary of the entire group, remaining 97%. இதுல இருந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா from this survey, the learning from the story is that you must have a clear written goals and plans. So then you can achieve whatever you wanted to achieve, or you can join the top 3%. And finally, you have to be patient and confident that you will achieve your goals, even though you may face setbacks and delays. As Swami Vivekananda said, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. அதாவது எழுமின் விழுமின் எண்ணிய குறிக்கோள் அடையும் வரை உழைமின். அதாவது உங்க கோல் அச்சீவ் ஆகிற வரலும் விடாத அதை இது பண்ணுங்க, டெஃபினட்டா யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு அச்சீவ்ன்றார். And I would like to talk about be an entrepreneur. ஏற்கனவே CKR நிறைய பாயிண்ட்ஸ் சொல்லியிருக்காரு. So a couple of points I would like to add. Like earlier they mentioned, like you, I was also an engineering student. I did my mechanical engineering from Annamalai University. Even as a student, I used to dream of starting my own company. 20 years back, started with 5 people. Today, 200 people are working. Started with for local market. Today, we are doing 100% export. Started with one operations. Today, we are providing 25 different services we are doing for the customers. அது மட்டும் இல்ல. So earlier பாண்டிச்சேரியில ஒண்டி தான் இருந்தது. So today we are having globally around 4 different locationsல இருக்கு. US, Japan and UK. And Integra is among the top 10 publishing BPO companies in the world. Thank you. Today, more than any time in the past, our country requires many more entrepreneurs. ஏற்கனவே மிஸ்டர் C.K. Ashok-Kumar சொன்னாங்க, India's population today is more than 1.2 billion, of which 600 million people are below 25 years of age. Every third person in India today are in youth. So it is a young India, we require more entrepreneurs. By 2020, India is set to become the world's youngest country, with 64% of population in the working age group compared to the West, Japan and China. So this is where your role becomes increasingly important. Instead of looking for a job, why don't you start a company? Instead of looking for employment yourself, you can give employment to others. You can enter the world of entrepreneurship, start your own business, be your own boss, and transform your life. Today, raising fund for starting a company is possible. So a lot of banks are there. Not only banks today, VC funding is available, angel investment funding is available. In addition to that, also expert mentor also available, who can handhold and guide you to take this various steps towards entrepreneurship. Many organizations and individuals are helping and mentoring new entrepreneurs. I want to see many of you starting your own companies, creating millions of jobs in India and flourishing in the process. My suggestions to parents வந்து அவங்க important role you are playing in shaping and developing children. அவங்களுக்கு அந்த young ageல